Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is super important because a lot of users are having serious problems after updating to Windows 11 25H2. So before you hit that update button, please watch this video fully because I will explain every version step by step. 22, 23, 24 and the new 25H2. We will talk about what changed, what errors users are facing, why they happen, and which version is really best for you. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Okay, first up, Windows 11 22H2. This was the first major update after Windows 11 release. It brought new feature like drag and drop to taskbar, new task manager, snap layout, live caption, all the fancy stuff. But guess what, it also brought tons of problem. Many users reported FPS drops, audio delay, system lag, and even blue screen error after updating. The biggest reason, outdated or incompatible drivers, especially for graphic and sound cards. So 22H2 was a good try but not perfect. Right now it is getting older and support will soon end. If you are still on 22H2, you really should move to new version. Next came 23H2. This was more like a service pack. It didn't change everything, but it fixed a lot of those early problems. It was smoother, more stable, and Microsoft started adding Copilot AI, new file explorer, and faster start menu. Most people found 23H2 better. Fewer crash, few update fails. Still, some users say Windows update got stuck or failed at 8% or 30%, but those were easy to fix. So 23H2 became the safe zone version, stable, clean and easy to use. If your PC is running fine on 23H2, honestly, you can stay there for now. No hurry to upgrade. Now 24H2, this one of game changer. Microsoft changed the base system. It is not just a patch, it is a whole new platform that support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, LE audio, better battery life, and even AI ready chip. The setting up changed layout, file explorer got a new look, and overall performance improved. But when it came out, users start complaining. Update stuck on 99%. My SSD disappear. My taskbar keeping freezing. Icon missing after restart. These weren't small issues. They were big problems. The cause, driver conflict, especially Intel Smart Sound Technology driver, old SSD firmware, and buggy updates. Microsoft actually blocked the update for many users until drivers were fixed. So if you are going to install 24H2, update your drivers first, backup your file, free up some SSD space, and only update when it's officially stable for your device. Still, if your PC is new, 24H2 is good. It's modern and powerful. Alright, now let's talk about the one of everyone waiting for, Windows 11 25H2. This is supposed to be just a small enablement update built on top of 24H2, but in real life it has been a headache for many users. Let's go one by one. USB keyboard and mouse not working in recovery mode. After installing 25H2 or its October patch, a lot of people couldn't use their USB keyboard or mouse in recovery mode, like when trying to repair Windows or reset PC. Imagine you can't even click anything. Microsoft confirmed this bug and released an emergency patch called KB 507-07732 to fix it. So if you had this problem, update again and check if that patch is installed. SSD disappearing not detected. This one's scary. Users say their SSD suddenly vanish after updating, especially during big install or gaming. Sometimes It came back after reboot, sometimes not at all. The issue was mainly from update KB5063878, which broke how Windows talk to certain SSDs. If your driver goes missing, don't panic. Power off, check BIOS, and if it show up, uninstall the update using the command and then restart. Intel Smart Sound SSD blue screen crash. Another big one, Intel SSD driver crash. Many Intel laptops show blue screens after 24H2 or 25H2 upgrade. It's that NC audio bus says driver causing chaos. Solution, go to device manager, system device, Intel Smart Sound technology, update driver. If you can't update, roll back the driver to the older version. Update not appearing, blocked by Microsoft. Some people say I can't even see 25H2 in Windows Update. That's not a bug. Microsoft put a safeguard hold on device with known problems. So if you can't get it, that's actually protecting your PC. Wait until your drivers are fixed. Don't force it manually with ISO file. Why all these problems happen? So why so many bugs? Again, because 25 has to change deep system areas, storage, drivers, recovery, audio, and some older drivers just don't like that. Microsoft releases small enablement updates. Microsoft releases small enablement updates, but under the hood they are touching low-level code. If your BIOS chipset or SSD firmware is outdated, boom, things break. That's why before updating, do this checklist. Backup all your files or make a system image. Update BIOS and all drivers, especially SSD and audio. Leave 20-30 GB free space on your SSD. Check Microsoft release health page or non-issue. Wait at least 2-3 weeks after release before updating. Let the bug calm down. If something goes wrong, if you already update and think went wrong, don't worry, I got you. Windows is stuck in recovery mode. Use an old PS2 keyboard or touch screen temporarily. Then install patch KB5070773. Once you are back in Windows, SSD missing, open CMD in recovery and type disk part list disk. If your disk shows good, run check this command. If you find update KB5063878 installed, uninstall it. Blue screen crash, boot into safe mode, rollback or update Intel Smart Sound drivers. Update failed or stuck, open CMD as admin, run this. If nothing works, roll back, go to settings, system, recovery, go back within 10 days, so upgrade. If nothing works, roll back, go to settings, system, recovery, go back within 10 days of upgrade. So which version should you use? Here's the honest answer. Older PCs before 2020 stay on 23H2. It is smooth and bug free. Newer PCs move to 24H2, but only after updating drivers. 25H2 wait a few months. It is not stable yet. Microsoft is still fixing it. So guys, that's the full truth. Not just news, but real experience. User report, Microsoft notes. Every version has something good, but 25H2 is still fresh and full of error. So please don't rush it. Wait, test, prepare, and then update safely. If this video helped you understand better, please hit the like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment which version are you using right now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and I will see you in the next one.